Okay. Are we recording? Yes. Okay, my son. Here is what we're going to do. First of all, you need to unplug or disconnect the battery. So take the positive post off. And to do that, you're going to need a 10 millimeter wrench. Okay, so pull the battery post, positive battery post off of the battery. Okay, and then this piece here that surrounds the ignition switch, that just pops off. Then you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and there's 5 screws holding here. 2 in the middle that actually hold the bottom piece to the steering column, and then you've got 1 on each corner. So those just simply, that one's busticated. Push that out of the way. Okay, now bring the tilt down. Now the top piece should come off, and hopefully you don't break it. Okay, and then the bottom piece now are these 2 other screws. They're a little bit smaller. As you can see, these are the ones you'll see. These ones have a washer on them. Oh, there's 3 of them on this one. I guess good thing I looked. I don't know what's, there's probably 3 on yours there too, I guess. Okay, so those come off. And now we'll also need to pull this lower section off. And I think there's like 5 screws in there, and then in the bottom corner there's another 10 millimeter. It's pretty hard to get a wrench in there, so you're going to need a socket and a ratchet. I like to throw an extension on there too. One, two. Now the fuel lock, I believe, or the hood. I can't remember on yours if there's a fuel lock as well, but they will basically stay attached. So yeah, on this one there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the bolt, and then you see it just kind of pops off here. And here's the reason why we have to take that off is because here's the plug that we have to unplug. I hope you can see that. There's 2 screws in there as well that hold the assembly, or the whole plug assembly in place there. I think there's another little clamp there or something too. Okay. Okay, now we gotta pull the steering wheel off. And there is, I thought there was a screw holding it on. But I don't see one on here. Why not? I'm positive there's a screw. Oh, crap. Steering lock. Might want to keep your keys handy. We do want to lock the steering wheel here. Oh, what the heck? Stupid thing. Oh yeah, you need the. You're going to need a small stubby screwdriver, and of course, I didn't bring one with me. So, what am I going to do? Damn. I need to go. No, I know what I can do. I've got this in this kit. So, let's see. That one. And I'm hoping it's going to fit in a socket. Yeah, good. The 6.5 mil. Now, I'll need my ratchet again. The adapter. And loosen. Okay. It shouldn't be too tight, I'm hoping. Can't see the stupid thing. I hate that. Just gotta loosen it a little bit. Oops. Okay, I'm going to stop this right now, and so then I'm going to start another one, okay? Hopefully this is small enough I can send. Okay.